What's going on, guys? Chris here with C4 Armory. I'm back with Justin from PSA, and we're going to talk a little bit about the Sabre line of rifles. Justin, have at it.
Yeah, so we introduced the Sabre line of rifles 2 years ago as our PSA premium line of rifles. So the Sabre line, the goal was to give you the best value for your dollar at right around the $1,000 price point, and that's exactly what we've done. So you'll notice with all of our Sabres, you get a couple upgrades. You get an upgraded BCG, so you get a micro vest bolt carrier group, you get a Radian Raptor charging handle, and you get a Radian Talon safety, so it's an ambidextrous safety. You also get either a Hyperfire trigger or our Sabre 2-stage trigger, depending on which one you get. And then you also get, we have forged versions and we also have billet versions, and then you can either get a variety of handguards. We make some ourselves. We also partner with a lot of different companies like Hodge and Geisley, a lot of the top names in the industry to provide a good rail system. And a lot of these are going to have FN cold hammer forged barrels as well. Some of them have our barrels. It just depends on which SKU you get.
Right. But
everything's going to have those couple upgrades we mentioned, which is what our customers normally upgrade out of the box anyways.
Right.
So that's why we wanted to offer it to them and give it to them at a price that, you know, they couldn't buy the parts for cheaper than we can offer it to them. So it's really the best value for your buck on the market. And then what we ended up doing is taking the Sabre line, and we wanted to give people guns that they maybe could never get their hands on. So what I have right behind me is an awesome example of that. So this is our Sabre Mark 12 Mod Zero. So it's a clone of the Mark 12. These are nearly impossible to find on the the day-to-day market. Same thing up here. We have our Sabre Super SAS. So the Sabre brand has really turned into a way to offer people guns that they have always wanted, but maybe it's not in the price point they can do. So like the Super SAS is like $1,500, right?
Right.
The equivalent to this from other companies is right around 10 grand. So this still has a match grade barrel in it, so you're shooting less than 1-inch groups out of a $1,500 gun, and you still get that look that everybody's going for, but you get it at a very competitive price, so that barrier to entry is lower, and that's really what we're all about here at PSA. So Sabre's really just our premium brand. Right. So it's really done well. People seem to love it, and you get that performance you're looking for at a much lower price point, and it's really a no-brainer on why to go with Sabre.
Right, and the upgrades too. I know this is B5 furniture on it, the Radian safety, and the charging handle as well. And that's also an upgraded bolt, I'm assuming?
Yeah. So Sabre is really our way to partner with some of the best in the industry and bring stuff to people that they've always looked for. We've even got our new mixtape over here where we've got the new we got a B5 pistol grip here. We even got the brand new Reptilia handguard. And then this is a 338 ARC mixtape. It's our new suppressor ready version. So we got the ICAR Max from Magpul, which is their new 6 ARC Max, or 338 ARC Max. So really excited about that. And this one's the same thing. It's in line with the Sabre pricing, which is anywhere from like $1,000 to $1,500, depending on if you're going up to the large frame stuff.
Yeah.
So it really is the best way to get into stuff you've always wanted for a fraction of the price, and you still get the same performance.
It is a fantastic value. Well, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, guys, go check out PSA, check out the Sabre line, and we'll see you in the next video.